Welcome to the Crystals Abundance YouTube channel. Yes, where we are all abundant. Boo! My name is Crystal, and I'm here to spread positivity, yes, and to help you and you get rid of that weird energy, okay? Because we don't want none of that. That what? Ooh, the weird energy, the weird energy, the weird energy, Let's get it. Let's go. Crystal, what are we going to be talking about today? I found this book online and I just could not resist. How to Stop Being a Narcissist. Comment down below if you know a narcissistic person who is a plague. They are just like a fungus and a plague that will not go away. I want you to comment down below. Oh my gosh. And why did I get this one? Let's light our sage first. And our candles with our crystals abundance. Abundance oil. Yes. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. New package, new label. Yes. Crystals abundance. Think. Think. I need to get a little on my fingertips. Ooh. It smells so good. It's an aphrodisiac. Not my favorite box of matches. I like the diamond ones. I like this for the abundance of my viewers. I like this for the abundance of my viewers. Oh my gosh, I should have saged first. That's okay. That's alright. It's alright because we saged for our other video that we did earlier today. Yes, we did. I believe a kiss. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay. A complete guide on how to give up control in relationships. Look at the picture. You have a man standing here who is a regular old guy who looks in the mirror and tells himself, oh yeah, you're a king. And I genuinely believe that these people think that they're kings and queens. Okay? And I brought this book out in hopes that I touch at least one person who's a narcissistic person who wants to improve. Okay, and we're going to just go through a random passage in this book, and I want you to tell me how you feel about it. It says, practice self-management. As a recovering narcissistic person, practicing self-management could provide beating it for good. Pausing. When you pause to think about the effects of your reactions, actions, and behaviors on the people that matter to you, it gives you a chance to consider. For a narcissist, consideration is critical, which is why pausing is integral in self-management. Deep breath. To manage challenging emotions, I'm playing. Narcissistic people are not going to change. You thought they were going to change? You thought end. You made it to the end. You made it to the end. You made it to the end.